Good morning students. Today we will start exercise 5th B. So in this exercise second question is evaluate. First part 2 raised to power 8 divide 2 raised to power 3. So as I already told you students, you can see both the bases are same and having power 8 and 3 and they are in divide. So we can subtract the powers. So see how we can solve this. 2 raised to power 8 minus 3, because bases are in divide, so we can subtract the power. So 2 raised to power 8 minus 3, it means 2 raised to the power 5. 8 minus 3, 5. So after this we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 5 times, but directly we can write the 2 raised to power 5, it means 32. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 means 32 is the answer. Second part, 2 raised to power 3 divide 2 raised to power 8. So same, 2 raised to the power 3 minus 8. So it means 2 raised to the power minus 5. 3 minus 8 minus 5. So students, you can see power is negative, so we will do the reciprocal of base. It means 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5. So it means 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 2 5 times. It means 1 upon 32. So the answer is 1 upon 32. Next, third part, 2 raised to power 6 then power 0. So this law is called product law. So as I told you in the previous video, this law is called product law. So it means 2 raised to the power 6 zeros are 0. We will do the multiply of power. 6 zeros are 0. So when any base is having power 0, it means 1. So 2 raised to power 0 means 1. Move to the fifth part. 8 raised to power 3 multiply 8 raised to power minus 5 multiply 8 raised to power 4. So bases are same and they are in multiply, so we can add the powers. So 8 raised to power 3 plus what we will add, minus 5. So minus 5, it will come inside the bracket, then plus 4, this power. So first open the bracket. So 8 raised to power 3 plus minus minus 5 then plus 4. So first add positive powers. 3 and 4 are positive. So 3 plus 4, 7, then minus 5. So 8 raised to power 7 minus 5 means 2. So 8 raised to power 2 means 8 8s are 64. So the answer is 64. Next, eighth part. 4 raised to power 4 divide 4 raised to power 3 multiply 4 raised to power 0. Bases are same and they are in divide and multiply. So see how we can solve. 4 raised to the power 4, then divide sign is coming, so we will write minus sign. Then power is 3, then 4 minus 3, then multiply sign, it means plus. Power is 0, so plus 0. So same, first add positive. So 4 plus 0 means 4, then minus 3. So 4 raised to the power 4 minus 3 means 1, it means 4. So the answer is 4. Now students, see ninth part, that is 3 raised to power 5 multiply 4 raised to power 7 multiply 5 raised to power 8, bracket closed, then whole power 0. So students, see how we will solve. 3 raised to the power 5 multiply 0, it means this base and power, then multiply this. Then what is 4 raised to the power 7 multiply 0, then multiply 5 raised to power 8 multiply 0, means this base and power multiply 0, this base and power multiply 0, this base and power multiply 0. So 3 raised to the power 5 zeros are 0, multiply 4 raised to power 7 zeros are 0, multiply 5 raised to power 8 zeros are 0. So 3 raised to power 0 means 1, multiply 4 raised to power 0 means 1, multiply 5 raised to power 0 means 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 means 1. So students, answer of ninth part is 1. Now students, third question, simplify giving answer with positive index. So we have to simplify all these parts and we will give the answer with positive index. First part is 2b raised to the power 6 multiply b raised to the power 3 multiply 5b raised to the power 4. So students, see one thing here, it is written 2b raised to the power 6. It means power 6 is only with b, not with 2. B raised to the power 6 is written, 2 is separate. So power is with only b. So 2b raised to the power 6 multiply b raised to the power 3 multiply 5b raised to the power 4. So we will do the multiply of number first. So 2 1 the 2, because here is 1. So 2 1 the 2. 5 the 10. So 10 about b. 6, 3 and 4. So 6 plus 3 plus 4, because bases are in multiply. 6 plus 3 plus 4. So 10b raised to the power 6 plus 3 9 plus 4 13. So 10b raised to the power 13 is the answer. Second part, x square y cube multiply 6x raised to the power 5y multiply 9x cube y raised to the power 4. So first of all do the multiply of numbers. 1 6 are 6, 6 9 are 54. About the power of x, here 2, here 5, here 3. So 2 plus 5 plus 3. Then power of y. Here 3, 1, 4. So 3 plus 1 plus 4. So 54x raised to the power 7 plus 3 10. Then y raised to the power 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8. So the answer is 54x raised to the power 10 y raised to the power 8. Move to the fifth part. Minus 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. So students, you can see this base is minus 3 and this base is positive 3. So first of all we will solve both the bases. So minus 3 raised to the power 2 means minus 3 multiply minus 3. It means 3 3s are 9 and positive 9. Positive 9, because base is having minus sign and power is even. So positive multiply will come. It means plus 9. Multiply 3 raised to the power 3. It means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 means 27. So 9 multiply 27, what we will write? 9 7s are 63, 9 2s are 18 plus 6 24. 243 is the answer of fifth part. Move to the sixth part. Minus 4x inside the bracket, then minus 5x square. So no sign is here, it means multiply. So we can do the multiply. Minus minus plus, 5 4 the 20. Then about the power of x, here 1, here 2. It means 1 plus 2. So 20x raised to the power 3 is the answer. Move to the seventh part. 5a square b multiply 2ab square multiply a cube b. So same, do the multiply of numbers. 5 to the 10, 10 1 the 10. Then a is having power 2, then here 1, then here 3. Then about b, here power 1, here 2, then here 1. So 10a raised to the power 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6. Then b raised to the power 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4. So 10a raised to the power 6, b raised to the power 4. Move to the eighth part. X raised to the power 2a plus 7 multiply x raised to the power 2a minus 8. So student, you can see now power is having two terms, 2a plus 7, binomial expression. Bases are same, so we will add the powers. So x raised to the power 2a plus 7, then plus sign 2a minus 8. 2a plus 7, then plus sign 2a minus 8. So Arrange the like terms. 2a any other a, yes, this plus 2a. Any other a, no. Then plus 7 any other number, yes, minus 8. So we had written all the terms. So x raised to the power 2a plus 2a 4a plus 7 minus 8 minus 1. So the answer is x raised to the power 4a minus 1. Now students, see ninth part. 3 raised to the power y multiply 3 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 raised to the power minus 4. So bases are same and they are in multiplies. We can add the powers. So 3 raised to the power y plus 2 then plus minus 4 inside the bracket. Now first we will open the bracket. So 3 raised to the power y plus 2 plus minus minus 4. So you can see here like and unlike terms are there. So 3 raised to the power y, no other y, then plus 2 and minus 4, it will come minus 2. So y minus 2. So we cannot solve further this. So the answer is 3 raised to the power y minus 2. Next 11th part. 4x square y square divide 9x cube by cube. So first of all it is better to write like this: 4x square y square upon 9x cube y cube. So if any number 4 and 9 are divisible by any number, so we can divide. If not divisible, we will write as it is. So students, you can see 4x square, here x is having power 2, in denominator x is having power 3. So it is better to take less power in denominator. X is having power 2, here 3, so it is better to take 2 in denominator. So what we will write? 4 upon 9x raised to the power 3 minus 2. About y. Y is having power 2, here 3, it is also same. So y raised to the power 3 minus 2. Y raised to the power 3 minus 2. So we will write 4 upon 9x y. So x is having power 1, here x is having power 1 and y is also having power 1. So x y. So the answer is 4 upon 9 x y. Next 12th part. 10x to the power 2 then whole power 3. Then bracket close, then bracket x is to the power 8 whole power 12. So first of all we will use product law here. So 10 raised to the power 2 3s are 6. Then no sign, it means multiply. X raised to the power 12 8s are 96. So student, we can solve this 10 raised to the power 6. It will come 10 lakh. Then x raised to the power 96. So student, answer is 10 lakh x raised to the power 96. Next, move to the 16th part. Minus 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 0 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. All the bases are different. So first of all we will solve the bases. So minus 2 raised to the power 2 means 4. You can see base is negative and power is in even number. So minus 2 multiply minus 2, 4. Then 0 raised to the power 3 means 0. Multiply 3 raised to the power 3 means 27. So now we will do the multiply of all the numbers. 4 zeros are 0. 0 into 27, 0. So the answer is 0. Next 17th part. 2a raised to the power 3 then whole power 4. Then bracket close, 4a square then whole power 2. Students, see carefully. 2a raised to the power 3 then whole power 4. 4 is the power of 2 also and 4 is the power of a raised to the power 3 also. So 2 raised to the power 4. First of all it is better to write 2 raised to the power 4. Then multiply a raised to the power 3 then power 4 like this. Then multiply 4 raised to the power 2. Then multiply a raised to the power 2 then whole power 2. 2 raised to power 4, then multiply a raised to power 3, then power 4. Multiply 4 raised to power 2, multiply a raised to power 2, then power 2. So 2 raised to power 4 means 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Multiply a raised to power 3, then power 4, so a raised to power 3 for the 12. Multiply 4 raised to the power 2. 4 into 4 means 16. Multiply a raised to power 2 to the 4. So now student, we will do the multiply of numbers. 16 into 16, 256. Then about power of a, 12 plus 4. So 256 a raised to the power 16 is the answer. Student, one more thing, we can solve this directly also. 2 raised to power 4, we can directly write 16. A raised to power 3, then power 4, we can directly write for this 16 a raised to the power 12 as it is coming here. In the same way, we can write this also, then multiply of numbers, then addition of powers. So answer of this part is 256 a raised to the power 16. Now students, 19th part, 1 upon 2x power 3 multiply 6x power 2. So students, first of bases are not same, so we will solve the power first. So 1 upon 2x raised to power 3. So 1 raised to power 3 means 1. Then 2 raised to power 3 means 8. X raised to power 3 means x cube. So 1 upon 8x cube. Multiply 6 raised to the power 2. So 6 6 are 36 x square. So student, 1 multiply 36 x square, it means 36 x square upon 8x raised to the power 3. So if 36 and 8 are divisible by any same number, we can divide. So 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. So now 9 and 2 are not divisible by any same number. So we will write 9 upon 2 as it is. About the power of x. So numerator is having less power in comparison of denominator's x. So we will take the numerator x to the denominator. So x raised to the power 3 minus 2. Minus because they are in divide. So 9 upon 2 x raised to the power 3 minus 2 means 1, and no need to write power 1. So it means answer is 9 upon 2 x. Move to the 20th part. 1 upon 4ab square c bracket closed and whole power 2 divide 3 upon 2a square bc square bracket close whole power 4. So bases are not same. First of all, we will solve the power. So 1 raised to power 2 means 1, 4 raised to power 2 means 16. Then a raised to the power 2 means a square. Then b, 2 2s are 4. Then c square. Then divide sign. 3 raised to the power 4, 81. 2 raised to the power 4 means 16. A here power 2, here 4, it means 8. Then b here 4 1 the 4. Then 2 4 the 8. C is having power 8. Now we will solve the divide. So 1 upon 16 a square b raised to power 4 c raised to power 2. Divide changes into multiply. Then reciprocal of 16 a raised to power 8 b raised to power 4 c raised to power 8 upon 81. So students, if any numbers 1 16 16 81 are divisible by any same number, so we can divide. So 16 1 the 16. Now no numbers are divisible. So 1 1 the 1, 81 1 the 81. Now about the powers. Here power is having 8. Here a is having power 2. So numerator power is greater than denominator. So take the denominator's power in numerator. So a raised to power 8 minus 2. About the power of b. B raised to power 4. Here also 4. So it will come b raised to the power 4 minus 4. or we can cancel also. Students, it is better to cancel both the powers. It will come 0, 0 means 1. It will be cancelled. Then here c is having power 2, here 8. So it means c raised to power 8 minus 2. So it means 1 upon 81 a raised to the power 6 c raised to the power 6. 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 2 6. So answer is 1 upon 81 a raised to the power 6 c raised to the power 6. Next, that 21 part. 5x raised to the power 7 then whole power 3. Then multiply 10x square then whole power 2 upon 2x raised to the power 6 then whole power 7. So students, see how we can solve this. 5 raised to the power 3 means 125. Then x raised to the power 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Then 10 raised to the power 2 means 100. X raised to the power 2 then whole power 2 x raised to the power 4 upon 2 raised to the power 7 means 128. X raised to the power 7 plus 6 42. So students, if any numbers are divisible, so we can divide that numbers. So by 4 we can divide. 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Yes. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Now no numbers are divisible. So 125 upon multiply 25 upon 32 about the power of x. Multiply x raised to the power, here 21, here 4. It means 21 plus 4. Then in denominator we will write as it is x raised to the power 42. We will see this denominator's power later. So students, 125 multiply 25 upon 32 x raised to the power 21 plus 4 25 upon x raised to the power 42. So students, 125 multiply 25 5s are 125, 12 carry 25, 2s are 50 plus 12 62, 6 carry 25, 1 the 25 plus 6 31. So it will come 3125. Then upon 32. Then you can see here x is having power 42, here 25. So 42 minus 25. So student, it will come 3125 upon 32 x raised to the power 42 minus 25. It means 17. So students, answer is 3125 upon 32 x raised to the power 17.